Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today we're going to look at a website called WeLocalize. Now when you come to WeLocalize, this is the first thing that's going to come up onto your screen, and it's going to ask you if you are looking for jobs. Now what you need to do is click, of course, on view jobs, and it's going to take you to a page where it shows you a huge list of jobs. And if you can scroll down and see, there are so many opportunities, and this is all for remote freelance stuff, and you can just go ahead and apply for these beautiful jobs. Right, so you can see there are jobs for a podcast transcription specialist, and you can literally find so many different language jobs where you can apply from anywhere. Right, there are jobs for Japan, where you get to translate Japanese, Korean, German, and there's Canadian French translators and copywriters. So many jobs in demand. Right, Chinese simplified into English marketing translation. There's jobs from Czech, from Denmark, Dutch, and it goes on. So this is a beautiful opportunity to take up a job if you know one of these languages. If you are, a translator, so basically you just need to translate that into one language to another language. So pretty interesting opportunity for all of you, and there are so many jobs that are available online. Right, now apart from that, we are going to look at something else. Well, surprisingly, this list does not even end, it just keeps going on. Now there are a lot of things like jobs for Malay, right, and Marathi, creative UI and marketing freelancer, remote. So that is for India, New Delhi, if you're looking for something from India, and if you're looking for something from Malaysia, you've got this beautiful opportunity to apply for this job. Right, there are jobs from Portugal and different countries from all over the world. Right, so go through this. This is a beautiful job, and this is an amazing opportunity to land yourself a beautiful job where you get to work from the comfort at home. So that was WeLocalize, and we are going to look at another website called Naming Force. Now Naming Force is a kind of a unique website, and I was really surprised when I came across this website, and I never really thought that people would actually have such things like this. Right, so you could see you could start a contest here for around $150, right? So you have 5,557 businesses named. Now what we're going to do is you're going to skip through all this, and you are going to come down here to the bottom. And when you come here to the bottom, you're going to click on business name contests. So you could see that right here, there's a thing called business name contest, and there's a tab next to that which is called winners. We'll get to that in a bit, but now you're going to click on business name contest, and it's going to take you to another page. Right, now you could see they show you clearly here recently named businesses: Jasper Rush, Bagging Business, Cypress Edge Apartments, so on and on. Right, I need that. This is so basically you give out names for businesses that are looking for some sort of attractive name, right? And the good news is you get paid for it. And look how much you get paid. You get paid for, they pay you $100, $200, $500, just for naming a business. Well, it's pretty, surprising that people can't really come up with a own name, but I guess they don't really have time for that. But, well, who cares? This is a good opportunity to make money. So look at that. There's 4 days left for this, and if you are soon, if you are quick enough, you could get this, right? And there is always some contest or the other that is available online, right? So now say for example you need an online service for freelancers, right? So you could click on this and you could go through further details. So it says that this person is a platform, he needs a name for developing online SaaS platform which aims to help freelancers optimize their time and performance, so blah blah blah, and they've given a description for their business. Now based on that, you can go ahead and probably suggest a name, and now if they really like your name, then you are going to get paid $100, right? So that's good. But I'm going to give you a very a very easy way to do this. So you go to this website called Namelix. It's Namelix. Now this is a business name generator, right? So use this beautiful trick and you can generate names for businesses. So for example, if you are looking for let's say you're looking for a a business name for a dentistry for children, right? So you just gotta be a bit creative, right? Or you could probably just use the same thing and see what this generator brings up. So just go ahead and type over here dentistry for children, and we're going to hit generate, and we're going to see what's going to happen. Now I always recommend you give high, so where you get random ideas and more varied results, right? So you just give on generate, and this is going to give you, here you go guys, you can look at it. There are so many beautiful names that's come up from Namelix. Then you could see I just typed in dentistry for children, and there's some beautiful names like Toothless Kids, right? Kids Dental, and Caring Child. So Minimalist Kids. There are so many beautiful ideas. Smile Dentist. Now all you need to do is take a name from here, and you are going to go and send it here, and once you submit it, you could see what you would get, $200. Just imagine you're going to do that for free on this beautiful website, which is called Namelix. And if you're not going to use it for anything else, you could simply use this for creating, let's say you want to start a business on your own, you could come to Namelix and get a beautiful name, right? So you could really see this is really helpful. There are so many names that you could get from this beautiful website. Now if you're looking for something more different, like let's say you are looking for an online service for freelancers, all right, so you could probably type something like online freelancers, and you could just try your various options. Now if you are good enough to go for medium and low, if you have that time, do it, but I suggest going for high, and you just click on generate, and there you go. There's so many different names again. Now you could take these these names and probably send it to them for their business name. Right now there are interesting names like Go Online and stuff like that, like Freelance Exchange, Web Work. These are beautiful names that people would probably wouldn't think of on their own. So that's all about this video, and go ahead and look into this beautiful thing called Naming Force, and also vLocalize, where you could get translation jobs from any part of the world. Now this is worldwide. Make use of this beautiful opportunity that you have. As for Naming Force, go there pretty often, and you could see that there are plenty of opportunities that keep coming up. Now these are the recently named businesses, and these are the names that people have given. So I suggest you type in keywords on Namelix, and you would get a beautiful idea. Type in keywords that would try to match this business, the type of business, so that they would really love it. All right, so I hope that was pretty helpful, and I hope you all are doing well, and I will get to see you all again in the next video, and until then, you guys stay safe.